where the puppies are sent to work in a factory owned by a jerk. But the other dogs never forget. They're gonna save the puppies yet. They ride up in their special cars to put the puppies behind bars. So the dogs have puppies come home. No longer will they ever roam. Now when they eat a treat, it's made out of a Mr. Beef. And that's the truth. That's the truth. And that's the truth.